Good morning, good morning. You just come here to visit us, so see? Did you see? Oh, where she is? Ayan, oh, she is. Good morning worldwide. Good morning to the different countries. Good morning to the different people in this world, to the different time. How are you? How are you? Happy day to all of us. Thank you, Lord, for everything that you are giving to us, to our another life, to another blessings, to all of us, everything that we are living in this earth, to our daily routine in our life. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for everything. Thank you again and thank you. And to all subscriber of mine, to all to all viewers that you are still watching, and to support all the bloggers that we have. Even you are not blogger, thank you, and you are including of our journey about us, our own individual channel that we have under of the YouTube company. YouTube, thank you very much to all the staff of the YouTube, and to all blessings and the staff, the workers that they are given to all of us. Thank you very much. And to all bloggers also that you are still connected and support in my channel from the beginning, from 1 subscriber until now, the all viewers, the all subscriber, the all supporters that you will with us together every day, and your kindness, your open-minded, and your helpful, and to give time to watch to all videos that what we have, short or regular videos, whatever we have live. And thank you very much, not only to us but all of us we're living in this earth. Ayan siya, oh. I-slowly ko para hindi siya lilipad-lipad, para maano ko siya doon, ma-video ko siya doon. Oh, ayan, oh. Kahit kunti lang. Oh, ayan, oh. Ayan na siya. Thank you very much. Thank you that you are here to visit in the balcony of Celine. Thank you very much. Ano ba yun? What is kind of this bird? Parrot? I don't know. Basta he just come here. Last time also before in our unit, they gave a nest in the balcony also, but because it's windy too much, so haram. The egg will be fly away also and broken everything. And the birds, it's make smile, no sad. Okay, so thank you again. That is here. That is our outside, the balcony. I see it kasi to put down the what's that for the laundry. So I saw it. Himik palak in the balcony. So now I'm thinking that to make it a video, because that one is not always just now. Okay. So thank you again. Thank you for watching. Thank you for everything. Thank you, Parrot, that you are visiting us here in the balcony. Thank you. You are bringing us a good bliss for all of us, nationwide, worldwide, to the different countries, to the different people in this earth, to the different time that we have in the different countries, worldwide, nationwide, to all angkan, to my angkan, both side of my family. Okay, to my younger, to my brother, to my only brother that I have, to my niece, to my all, what's that, to my all cousins, relatives, both side ni nanay, ni tatay, angkan to angkan, sa Libho, Dinagat Island, sa Surigao City, sa Surigao del Norte, sa Siargao, sa mainland, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. She is come here na. Okay. Thank you again. And bye. Para kuhaan ko siya ninyo.